Hello viewers and welcome to Math tutorial sessions. In this lesson, we shall determine the numerical value of 3x plus y all to the power 2 if it is given that 9x squared plus y squared is equals to 12 and xy is equals to negative 3. Now let us start. Here we are squaring a binomial. Okay, let us write the binomial. Okay, we've got 3x plus y all to the power 2. Right. So now we need to expand and simplify this first. Okay, let's expand because we will have 3x plus y and again 3x plus y. Right. So now we will have 3x times 3x, that is 9x squared. 3x times y, that is 3x. Y times 3x, that is 3x. Y times y, that is y squared. If we apply the FOIL method, this is what we are getting. Right now, we need to add the like terms. 9x squared plus 3xy plus 3xy, that is 6xy plus y squared. But remember, we are told that 9x squared plus y squared is equal to 12. Right, we'll group like this. 9x squared plus y squared plus 6xy. Right. We know that this is equals to 12. So we put 12 plus 6. Where there is xy, we put negative 3 equals to 12. So now it's going to be minus 6 times 3. There is 18. Right. 12 minus 18. There is negative 6. Which means the numerical value of this expression is negative 6. Thank you so much for watching this nice video. Please viewers, make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also there is a notification bell below this video. Please hit it so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a new video in this channel. Goodbye viewers.